People find you online before anywhere else. Your business profile helps you control what they see. I'm Flo from Flo Dynasty. I help business owners build strong online brands through website design, marketing, and profile optimization. Today, I'll show you why a Google business profile matters and how to grant access for it to be managed by myself at Flo Dynasty. Let's get started. We're going to use Flow Dynasty as an example for a business profile. And at the top, you're going to find your business name, the rating, the category. That tells people who you are and what you do. Below that are the quick buttons, directions, website, share, save, and book online. They let the customers find you, visit your site, or book in one click. Next, the address, hours, phone number, so that people know when and how to reach you. Then comes your photos, your reviews, your services, and these show your work, build trust, and help people decide to contact you. Let's take a look at your Google Business profile from a map view. As you can see, it shows your business location, once set up properly, of course. It shows your pictures that you may have uploaded during the time of setup or during the course of updating, or even the photos that might have been added by some of your customers. Let's scroll a bit. We have a book online button, the business hours, the business address, your website address, your phone number, and your reviews. Click on the services tab. Again, it got more details here to the services that you offer, and it's categorized by type of services. Your reviews, again, we just discussed that, and is also a place for folks to leave new reviews or update new pictures or add new pictures or videos to your Google business profile. Here are some of the pictures that I've posted along the way, and here are some of the updates that I've posted along the way. Now, the updates is actually a good thing for people who don't have an actual website to update, or maybe you have a Facebook page, but let's keep in mind that Google is the #1 search engine. So putting your stuff on Google Business is guaranteed to help you show up in the Google search results. Now let's go over how to grant access to your Google Business profile. We're going to go to google.com and whichever browser you choose to use. It could be Edge, Chrome, Safari, Samsung Internet. And right now I am doing this from my tablet. So this is how it would somewhat look on either your PC as well as on your mobile device. So first thing first, google.com, put in your business name, in my case, Flow Dynasty, search. And of course, my website shows up at the top, which is great, of course. But we're going to scroll down to where the Google business profile is. It says you manage this business profile. And it also says below the quick buttons, you manage this profile. And below that, you see your business name with the address. We're going to click on that. Then next to where it says your business on Google, we're going to go all the way over to the right and click the 3 dots. Then we're going to click the business profile settings, people and access, add. We're going to enter the email address of the person you'd like to manage your Google business profile. And of course, in this case, it's moi, info@flowdynasty.com. You're going to make sure it's set at manager because you don't want to transfer ownership over to anyone to manage your business profile. You want to always maintain ownership in your business profile. So let's always make sure that manager is set and not owner. And then you're going to hit that invite button. I recommend you get a business email like your name at business.com. For example, info@flowdynasty.com. It helps your brand look credible and professional. It keeps communication organized and gives you access to productivity tools, video conferencing, AI, and so much more. It also separates business from personal messages, builds trust for the clients, and it strengthens your brand identity. Use the link in the description below to help you get started with a business email today. Your business profile helps people find and contact you. So let's help them find you easily. If you'd like help getting a Google Business Profile Setup, let's go over to flowdynasty.com, go to Google Business Profile Setup, review the features, the settings, the costs, and book an appointment today. Thanks for watching, and remember, just go with the flow.